Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video on how to unlock the bootloader on any OnePlus phone. Whether you are rocking an older device or one of the newer flagships, the process remains very similar across the board. Unlocking the bootloader is the very first step you have to take if you want to gain full control over your device, allowing you to root it or install custom software. Just a quick heads up before we begin, this process will completely wipe your internal storage, so please make sure you have backed up all your important photos and files before we proceed. So why are we doing this today? Well, right here I have the OnePlus 6T. Official software support for this device actually ended back in 2021. I want to keep this phone alive and running fast, so to install a custom ROM based on the latest Android 16, I need to unlock the bootloader first. Also, if you watched my previous video, you know I had to restore this specific phone from crash dump mode to unbrick it. Doing that restoration unfortunately relocked the bootloader, so we are going to go through the process of opening it up again so we can start modding. Taking a quick look at the phone right now, you can see we are currently running the stock Oxygen OS 10, which is based on Android 10. It is the last official update this phone received. It works, but we can definitely do better with newer software. To get started, we need to change some settings on the phone. Go ahead and open up your Settings app. Scroll down to the bottom and tap on About Device. Inside here, look for the specific section that says Build Number. You need to tap on that build number section 7 times rapidly. You will see a small pop-up telling you that you are now a developer. Once you see that, go back one step, click on System, or depending on your version, click on Software Information, and then find Developer Options. Click to open that. Inside this menu, we need to toggle 2 things. First, find OEM Unlocking and flip that switch to enable it. You might need to enter your PIN. Second, scroll down a bit and enable Advanced Reboot. Now, press and hold your power button. Because we enabled Advanced Reboot, you will see an option that says Bootloader. Tap that and your phone will restart into Fastboot Mode. While the phone is rebooting, let's move to the PC. You should already have the Android Platform Tools folder downloaded and the specific OnePlus USB drivers installed on your computer. Connect your phone to the PC via your USB cable. Open a command window inside your Platform Tools folder and type the command Fastboot Devices and hit Enter. You should see a random serial number appear. If you see that text, it means your phone is properly connected and talking to your PC. Now it's time for the main command. Go ahead and type Fastboot OEM Unlock and hit Enter on your keyboard. The command prompt might simply say Finished, but the important part is happening on your phone screen right now, so look at your device. You will now be able to see a warning screen with 2 distinct options. Use the volume keys to navigate because the touchscreen won't work here. Scroll down to select the second option that says Unlock the bootloader. Once that is highlighted, press the power button to confirm your selection. Just remember, the moment you press this power button, the phone will factory reset and wipe all your data. The phone will now reboot automatically. You will see a scary-looking warning message for a few seconds, stating that the device is unlocked and cannot be trusted. Don't worry, that is completely normal, and it confirms that the process worked. It will take a few minutes to boot up since it's a fresh factory reset. Once it is up, your bootloader is unlocked and you are ready to install that Android 16 custom ROM. If this video helped you out, please drop a like and subscribe so you don't miss the installation guide coming next. Thanks for watching.